Your Dharma is your soul in action. It's when the inner you matches the outer you. It's you living your purpose on a daily basis. Your life being a reflection of who you are inside. Today, we will meditate on taking divine action. Your Dharma is the intersection of doing and being. I call this your sacred doing. When you are so deep in your being, you can't help but do. And so deep in your doing, you are being. And in this meditation, we're going to tune into exactly what your sacred doing is. I invite you now to comfortably close your eyes and come to your breath. And I invite you now to imagine your breath coming in and out like waves in the ocean. Inhaling in. And releasing out. What quality are your waves? Inhaling in. And gently letting it crash out. Inhale in. And release it out. See these waves rise and fall. Noticing the texture of your breath. Is it warm, cool? Rough, calm? Letting this breath relax and unwind your entire being. Feeling the flow move through your body. Now I invite you to bring to your mind's eye an image of yourself living in flow. You are in your element. You aren't in your thinking mind, but rather doing it from a place of effortless alignment. What is this version of you doing? Helping someone get through a difficult time? Dancing? Painting? Creating self-care products? Cooking? coming up with creative ideas. See how you move in this flow, how you are inspired, passionate, devoted, focused, open, receptive. This is you in your sacred doing, where your doing and being have merged. Notice how you glow in your sacred doing, how effortless creation flows through you, how easy it is to remain focused. The natural passion fueling from your heart. The limitless source of creativity. The endless stream of abundance you are tuned into. The grounding and support you have from the earth beneath you and the people around you. You are inspired, activated, heart-centered, and living your soul's purpose. Continue to witness this version of you. And now this version of you is moving your way. They're taking steps right towards you. And as they come right in front of you, they smile. You can see the slight tears in their eyes and the deep love and gratitude that they have for you. Thank you for saying yes. Thank you for doing the scary thing to make this all possible. Thank you for trusting that we have a purpose. Thank you for listening to your intuition. Thank you for honoring your gifts. And thank you for taking action. I'm here now, this future version of you, and I'm here to answer any questions you may have. What questions do you have for me? How can I guide you? And take this opportunity now to ask your questions. And now that you have asked your questions, allow this version of you, your highest self, to answer. Now, if you have any follow-up questions, ask this version of you now. And allow your highest self to answer. Now that you've received their wisdom, your highest self reaches their arms around you and gives you a big embrace. Feel the love that they have for you. As they whisper in your ear, "I'm always here, guiding the way. You can always reach out to me. I'm here to support you." Feeling this warm embrace of your highest self as you hug them back and you merge together as one. Your highest self anchoring in your being as you become one. Feeling the shift in your vibration. Feeling how much more open, inspired, activated, and radiant you feel. Feeling the creative energy of your highest self merging in your being now. This is your new vibration. Let it sink into your being as you recalibrate this as your new norm. Moving from a higher place of inspiration, awareness, communication, and action. Making the decisions that honor your creativity. And trusting that your passions are within you for a reason. You are here to share them with others. And giving so much love to yourself right now for the courage that it takes to honor your purpose in a world where this still isn't quite fostered. I honor you. Now, how can you create lasting shifts in your life to spend more time in your flow? How can you prioritize your sacred doing? What inspired action can you take now? Place your hand on your heart and take a deep breath in and affirm, my purpose flows easily through me as you exhale out with a smile. My purpose flows easily through me. And bringing awareness back to your vibrant and amplified body. Feeling the excitement now to take action on your purpose. As you gently wiggle your fingers and toes and open your eyes. Now I invite you to take a journal and write down any notes that your highest self had for you. What were they doing? What message did they have to say? What words of wisdom did they carry? What shifts will you make in your life? How can you prioritize your sacred doing? And what will you take action on now? Thank you so much for practicing with me and for making the world a more vibrant place. Namaste.